Hello, my name is Thomas, and I represent GymTechnicians.com, your trusted partner in fitness equipment services. We understand how essential it is to keep your fitness equipment safe, functional, and reliable, whether you're managing a residential building, a commercial facility, or your own home gym. That's why we offer a full range of professional services, including expert repair services to get faulty machines back up and running, preventive maintenance to reduce downtime and extend equipment life, assembly and disassembly for hassle-free setup or relocation, diagnostic services to identify and resolve problems quickly. Call us now or visit gymtechnician.com and request our services.